By the end of this video, you will know how to use Wise for freelancers. Start by logging in to your Wise account, enter your account credentials, and continue to the main dashboard. Once you are signed in, look for the option to open a balance. This is the part of Wise where incoming money can be held in a specific currency. Choose the currency you want to get paid in and create that balance before moving on. Make sure you select the correct currency for the client payment you expect to receive. After the balance is open, go into that currency balance and click Account Details. If local bank details are available for that currency, Wise will show them here. These details may include information your client can use to send a domestic payment directly to your Wise balance. Review the details on screen carefully and use the account details shown for that specific balance. Next, share those account details with your client so they can send payment. Send only the relevant banking information from Wise and make sure the client knows which currency to pay into. Once that is done, wait for the payment to arrive. Depending on the payment method and the client's bank, this can take some time. When the payment reaches Wise, it will appear in your balance for that currency. If you need the money in a different currency, open the balance and convert the funds. Choose the currency you want to move the money into, confirm the amount, and review the conversion before you proceed. If you do not need to exchange it, you can leave the funds in the original balance and continue to the next step. When you are ready to move your earnings out, click Send. From there, transfer the money to your bank account by entering or selecting your bank details and confirming the transfer. If you prefer, you can also keep the funds in your Wise balance instead of sending them out right away. This depends on how you want to manage your freelance income. If you have a Wise debit card, you can also spend your earnings directly from your balance. Open the card section if needed, confirm which balance is being used, and use the card for purchases where it is supported. This gives you another way to access the money without first transferring everything to a bank account. To review incoming payments and other activity, open Transactions. This section shows your payment history, including money received, conversions, and transfers. If you need to confirm whether a client payment arrived or check what happened to a transfer, this is the place to look. Thanks for watching. Your Wise account is now set up to receive freelance payments, convert funds, send earnings to your bank, and track transactions.